So the one thing about Tavant that's really unique is really taking the mortgage knowledge that goes back years and years and merging that with what is happening in terms of cutting edge technology. Right? So Tavant has kind of taught us a lot about opportunities with machine learning and putting on a data science conference at one point. Just working with us to really understand what are some of the technologies that are out there in the broader marketplace and that are being used actively today in other industries, and how could you potentially apply those to the mortgage industry. As we kind of went through this process of building LendUS, acquiring companies, rolling them into one company, put a lot of strain on our LOS administration team, and so we really need some help to augment the resources there. We've got a fairly complex Encompass implementation, a lot of custom development around it, using the SDK, custom plugins, as well as some fairly complex configurations, especially as we merge these companies together. So it's a lot of work to maintain that, and while we're doing these acquisitions, to also keep the platform moving forward and make kind of the business as usual adjustments that any organization needs. So we're really happy to find that Tavant was building up an Encompass capability, some resources that really understand just basic Encompass configuration and business rules, but also experience with the SDK and able to kind of help us with some of those more custom capabilities. That was a pretty critical project for us to kind of meet the needs of both the acquisitions as well as keeping the lights on going forward. Tavant is definitely looking at the future. Topics like machine learning and data science, as well as kind of frameworks and building kind of accelerators for certain things, building an integration hub in the cloud, all kinds of kind of components that lenders can leverage if they need to build their ultimate solution. I think that's one of the things that I enjoy about Tavant, and really just whether it's talking to the folks in one of Tavant's famous cocktail parties, or kind of in the office brainstorming on a particular project, or doing a proof of concept on an idea. There's just a lot of engagement there, and usually they're pushing the envelope and allowing you to see what's possible, even if that's not what you need at that particular moment, but helps you understand what you might be doing.